thanks to the might that I built into you.
Do not misunderstand it. This is not power of your creation.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? My name is Bryson, also known as Bryson on both Instagram and YouTube. And today I'm going to show you guys how to do the Saber eye effect. And the only thing you need for this effect is the actual Saber plugin, which I'm going to try and link either in the description or in the comments. I'll pin it for you guys, and we're just going to get straight into it. So what you want to do is press the clip that you're using. I'm using Modera. You guys can use any clip that you guys want to, and you just want to press Control D. That's going to duplicate your clip, and we'll be working with the first clip over here, the layer on top. And the first thing we're going to do is get your pen tool, and then we're just going to zoom in, and we're going to start masking out the eyes. Yeah, I'm not doing this very accurately. You guys are, because you guys actually want your clips to be good. I'm just doing this very quickly, so I don't want the tutorial to be too long, because I know you guys don't like a long tutorial. Okay, so we finished masking out the eyes, because if we hide this layer, you see it's just the eyes, which is what we want. And then after that, click on the same layer. We're going to take the Saber plugin, put on the same layer that you just masked. Okay, this is what you get on your screen. Don't panic. I panicked when this happened. Don't need to worry. You're going to go to Customize Core of Saber. Go down, drop down, bring the drop down, click by Saber, and then click Layer Mask. Boom. Now your eyes are glowing. And then what you want to do is bring that down. You can now go to your select, and you can pick what type of actual Saber effect you want. But for this effect, we're going to be using a fractal. I normally use fractal, and I'm going to change the color to white. You guys can change to any color. You don't have to use white. You can use any color that you want, and that's what I'm going to go with. Now, once you go into this step, all you need to do is go to the same layer which you have Saber, right click, blending mode, and then press add. And there we go. We have the Saber effect on Modera's eyes. But as you can see, it's not very clear, because you can still see Modera's actual eyes up there, and we don't want that. So what you can do is go to your glow sensitivity and bring that as much as you can in order to hide his eyes. As you can see, it's still showing a bit, so we're just gonna bring that up a bit more, and perfect, his eyes are gone. And then what I'm gonna do is I am just going to go to view, resolution, and full, so you guys can see this clearly. Bring up, as you can see, that is Modera with these Saber eyes. I'm not gonna actually render it out. I'm gonna have the clip go right about here.
Is this the power of a god?
So guys, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Like it, share it with your friends, maybe even subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do AMVs and tutorials, and I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. My name is Bryson, also known as Bryson on Instagram and YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.